Hello guys. Hey. So today my topic is going to be ghar ghar. Basically not just ghar ghar. So as we are going in this nostalgia trip every day, not just every day. So every day we'll go through some of the things that we used to do when we were kids, and I'm gonna tell you some stories from my childhood, and I would love to hear stories from you. Hey, and I would really love to know the stories from your childhood. So today I'm gonna talk about the things that we used to play, and उसमें सबसे first that we used to play was घर घर. I think everybody who has been a 90s kid has played घर घर. We used to make such elaborate stories about how we are going to do all the things. Hi Vamsi. We are going to do so many things, and there were such elaborate stories where your cousins used to be your best friends or your husband or your wife or all those things, and then you used to play about all these things. You would go around, there would be someone who would go around working, you would be in the kitchen, you would be making, some of them would be making some dishes or something, and it was all such make believe. Everything was make believe, and it was so good because your imagination used to be so good. You would just imagine everything, and it was so amazing, right? And yeah, wait 1 minute, my mom is calling me.
मम्मी मैं आती हूँ थोड़ी देर में, कमरे में हूँ, आ रही हूँ थोड़ी देर में. मम्मा अभी मैं लाइव में हूँ, मैं बाद में बात करती हूँ.
Oh my god, being in quarantine, being at home, I think all of you guys can relate to this. So what I was telling, so we used to play so many games. There was such imagination, such storytelling, and you would go and you would make about the stories as you go, and you would play it out. You would have dialogues and everything, you would have monologues, you would have ups and downs about what is going to happen. I remember one such story where okay, so my favorite name when I used to go into that story mode would be, it was Tina. I loved that name Tina because I was a huge Rani Mukherjee fan at that time, and Kuch Kuch Hota had came out, and in that movie Rani Mukherjee's name was Tina. So I was like, my name is going to be Tina all the time. And one of my cousins, actually, she was so imaginative that she used to play all these people from different characters, different religion, and she would play them so well. And I used to be always like some ambitious girl who's gonna do her work, who's on the run, who is living her life to the fullest. Then some of my cousins, they would, one of my cousin, he was an amazing storyteller. He would make the whole stories and we would just play along. So he used to be the director because he was the elder one. So he would be the director of our whole story, of our whole scenario, and we would just start making up the stories as we go. And I would be this driven, ambitious girl who would either be a movie star or, okay, so see, since then I was so much into acting that I would imagine myself being a movie star or a singer or something. So yeah, finally I'm doing what I wanted to do. So good. Even I didn't imagine that. And he would be a successful businessman. And one of my cousin who used to think that she would play a doctor. She actually went on and she has become a doctor. I used to think that I am gonna be a movie star or a singer or something, and I am actually doing singing as a profession now. I am doing acting as a profession now, and wow, this is so good. I didn't realize it till now that we are doing what we wanted to do all this time. And I remember one time what happened. My mom and my buddy mummy and everyone, they had made a huge tub full of groundnut burfi, and we loved groundnut burfi. it was Diwali time, and they had made so many sweets, so much groundnut burfi, and we were like, okay, we'll just take out some and then we will play and then we will be done with it. But within that 3 hours of period, where in the afternoon we started playing, my mom, my buddy mummy, everybody was sleeping. They had made that whole thing and they kept it, and then they just slept off. And when they woke up, that whole big tub of groundnut burfi was over, completed. We had eaten everything. That groundnut burfi was all the dishes that we made in that play, in that three hours of our play time, and we had completed everything. So there was me, there was Chiku Bhaiya, there was Chiki Didi, there was Pooja, there was Pranshu. 5 of us, 5 little kids. We were not even 8 years old at that time, and we had completed that whole tub. And after our moms woke up, oh my god, they beat us so much. I still remember how much I got beaten up because of that. Oh, we had completed everything. Like my mom, my dad, they didn't even get to taste that burfi even once, and we had completed everything. Ooh. I think Chiku Bhaiya and other are here. Maybe they are. I don't know if they remember it or not, but I remember it very clearly because my mom beat me up so much. Also, if you have been beaten up by your mom or by your dad in your childhood, do comment right now. So I did my influencer thing. Thank you so much, Karan. Okay, बिल्कुल राम का स्वागत नहीं करेंगे तो और कौन किसका करेंगे? Oh, wow. Also, please do tell me that, okay, my bhabhi is here. So, hi bhabhi. She's wife of Chiku Bhaiya, and I'm telling everyone what all we did. So, Atal is here. Atal is Pranshu, and he used to be one of us who used to do all these things together, and then we used to get beaten up by our mom. Please do tell me if you have been beaten up by your mom. I think everybody have been beaten up by your mom. If you haven't been beaten up by your mom or by your dad, seriously, have you ever had a childhood even? I pity you, because that fear of getting beaten up and yet you do things, that was the adventure. That was the whole thing. Oh my god. Okay, so I would love to hear your stories as well. If you guys have any of these stories with you, you can share it with me. I will ask you to come with me on this live. So if you have any stories, do send me a request to come on this live. Okay, moving on. Second thing we used to do was Akti ki Shadi. Like, there is this Akshay Tritiya festival here, and we used to have these dolls and their marriages, and we used to do it so elaborately. Like, I still remember we used to make cards, invitation cards, where we would write everything, we would decorate it, some of our cousins would become the groom side, some of us would become from the bride side, and we would make this invitation cards, and we would go out and we would give this invitation cards to the neighbors, to our parents, and everyone to come and join us in this wedding ceremony that is going to happen on Akshay Tritiya. There was no other time. It was only during on Akshay Tritiya that we used to do this thing, and we would decorate the dolls so good. Then we would turn on our stereos, at that time cassettes and everything. We would turn on our cassette player, and we would have this huge barat, and we would dance, and we would come with that barat. People would do all the things where they would welcome us. Even our parents would go into it, and they used to help us do all these things, all the rituals and everything our parents used to do with us. It was so good. I still remember it. It's such a pleasant memory. And since my nani ghar was just 2 minutes away, there was another wedding that I had to go, and another one of my so-called daughters or son was going to be getting married at that time, so I would go there as well. And there was Bittu Bhaiya, and he has been like, he is the one of the most creative person I have ever met in my life. He was like that since his childhood. He would literally decorate the whole thing so beautifully. He would make a whole room kind of a thing with cardboard boxes. He would decorate it so beautifully. He would decorate the dolls as well so beautifully. And then we would have that whole wedding there, and then we would take our Gudda Gudiya to that, and it was so beautiful. We would like, our parents were so into it with us that my mom and my badi mummy, everybody would make some sweets and different kind of dishes to serve people, like to serve everyone what we are going to eat. It was literally a wedding that we used to do. It was literally a wedding that we just did out of a sudden, and it, like, we used to start planning it at least a week before. So we would go and buy the Gudda Gudiya and buy their clothes and whatever is going to happen. We would plan out everything. We would decorate our places. It was so beautiful. Like, I still remember we would go out and get these cold drinks as well. That baratiyon ka swagat hum cold drinks se karenge. It was so good. Oh, this Gudda Gudiya ki shadis used to be so one of the most amazing things. I don't know if people, if children actually do that these days or not, but I would seriously urge that you should you should do this with your nephews or nieces, or if you have your children, do this with them. These are the memories that they will have forever. I mean, I still have those memories, and these are one of the fondest memories that I have in my life, and it's so beautiful. Because your parents are into it so much. Your parents are giving you all these things. You're doing this with your parents, with your cousins and everything. It was really beautiful. It used to be so beautiful. Yeah. Then, okay, so wherever I used to see a heap of, sand, because there have been like so many houses would be getting built and all. Even our house was getting renovated. My nani ghar was getting renovated. So there were this huge heaps of sand and everything. And wherever we used to see that heaps of sand, we would just go and we would dug it and we would dig a tunnel inside it. And it was so good. And then we would decorate that tunnel. We would make a beautiful temple out of it, and we would decorate it again. We would have like tiles. I still remember, again, Bittu Bhaiya used to be so creative. He would decorate it with tiles and everything, and then I would go and I would get some Bhagwan Ji ki murti and everything, and we would place those idols inside that temple, and religiously we used to go there, we used to pray there, we used to do the puja, we used to do the aarti, and then I would go to my nani and I would tell her that this is my small mandir, so nani, please come to this and we will have aarti, we will have puja. We would actually make different prashadams, and we would go and give prashads to everyone. These were the things that I used to do. It was so beautiful, and not just me, and my nani used to encourage me to do this so much. She was so happy that I'm doing all these things. So basically my summer vacations used to be both in my place and in my nani's place. I would wake up in the morning and I would go running towards my nani house, because it was just 2 minutes away, or I would just sleep there and I would come back in the afternoon or something into my house, and then go again in the evening to my nani's house, and we would just play. There were these two Didi, didis who used to live there, Aarti Didi and Milli Didi. I used to love playing with them so much. We would play Ghar Ghar for like eternities, literally eternities. I would play Ghar Ghar with them. I had this kitchen set. We used to make different kind of dishes. We used to make different kind of food items with just Parle G biscuit. And I'm telling you, I didn't like Parle G that much, but because of Ghar Ghar, I started eating Parle G. And we would make dal. How would we make dal? We would literally grind bricks. We would grind the bricks. We would get that powder. We would set that powder with the water, and then that was our dal. And chawal, how we used to do? So basically, raw rice. We used to take raw rice. We used to just pour some water in it, make it really good, and I still eat raw rice, soaked raw rice. I still eat it because it's so good. It is so good. So I used to do that as well. And Ghar Ghar, I used to play with them for eternities, literally eternities. And then I would go out and I would buy these dairy milks, and I would just make my chocolate cake and chocolate all these things with dairy milk and eat it and just feed everyone also all through the night. So in my nanny's place, there was this place where there was a huge neem tree, and beside that neem tree, like beneath that neem tree, we used to make our houses. And in my childhood, my nanny's place, there was this, in that neem tree, my mama ji used to have this big swing, and I love that. All of my mausies were there, I was there, and we used to just swing in that swing set all the time, because in a chilling hot summer, it's such hot summer, and at that time, in the shade of that neem tree, you are just swinging. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It was so beautiful. We used to do all kinds of stunts where I would swing sitting down, then I would swing standing up. I would do this round thing with the swings, and then I would round it up so much, and then it was like I would just round it up, I wind it up, and then I would used to release it, and it was so fast. My nanny and my nanaji used to scold me so much. I still remember. But they loved me so much, and I really wish that kids these days, they get to play all these things. They get to go to their nanny's place. They get to go to some place where they have these swing sets in beneath the trees and all. I really wish that they would play something other than video games as well, because these are the memories that you have for all your life, playing games and all these things, making up stories, having this crazy imaginations with your cousins, with your siblings and all. It's so good. So yeah, these were my stories. I would love to know your stories as well. Let's see. Yeah. हाँ, मैं बर्फी खा ली इसलिए मैं मुंबई नहीं आ सकती. Sorry. Yeah, so these were the stories that I used to play all these kind of things. And not just that, and every summer vacation we used to go somewhere or the other, and we would just play. We would just play with anyone. I still remember I would just go out and play with anyone. I would just climb trees. I would fall out of the trees. I would play with all the guys in my bada, and I used to play with them. I would fall. I still have the scars and scrapes from all the falling that I have done. And I used to be so scared because my mom used to beat me up because I fell down. Like, hi Vivek, hi Ankit. So I used to have these kind of things. Like, seriously, I was not scared of falling down. I was not scared of getting hurt. I was more scared of my mom beating me up because I got hurt. That doesn't even make sense. But seriously, we used to play through the whole afternoon. None of us went to any tuitions or anything until later in our life, like at least in class 7th, class 8th, when we started becoming big, when we started becoming elders now. So only then we started going to the tuitions, and so because of that we didn't have any time anymore. But we used to do this. Plus we used to play chupa chupai, hide and seek. Oh my god, especially turning off all the lights and then doing that hide and seek. And there what we used to do, we used to change our tops as well. And then people, the one who was the seeker, he would come and they would see that, okay, I was wearing a blue t-shirt and then I had actually exchanged it, but they thought that that was me. And then we would be like, no, you did it bad. Nahi, arm race. Race team. Oh my god. And हाइड एंड सीक में भी नहीं, तुमने ये नहीं बोला, तुमने ये बोल के नहीं बोला, तो पहली घड़ी कौन स्टेप का नहीं बोला तो तुमने कुछ नहीं किया. एंड वी यूज्ड टू प्ले पकड़म पकड़ाई सो मच. कुछ नहीं करना है, बस भागना है. एक कोई दाम दे रहा है, एक कोई कुछ सीकर बन रहा है, एंड यू जस्ट रन all the time, and they have to just come and touch you. That's it. That was the game. Such a simple game, and that's it. And then we used to play Kood Kood. It's called hopscotch. We used to play Kood Kood, and again, so many things, that there were so many difficulties in that thing, that you have to have different kinds of jumping and stepping patterns that you have to do with keeping your breath intact. You cannot have your breath go down in between, so you have to have that lung capacity to go through all these things. Then if your stone went ahead of anything, like if it even touched the lines of the squares, then you're out. Then you have to still wait for your turn, which used to be so much after, because there were so many people who were just pro at it. And I used to do that so much. We used to call Billa, we used to call Kood Kood. So for that you have to keep that breath intact, and you have to say Kood 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 while doing all the steps, or while doing all the jumpings and everything. Dude, that was so good. I don't know if you guys do you guys remember this? You guys have must played it all, right? And I don't know, I'm gonna make sure all the kids in my vicinity, all my nephews, all my nieces, all my cousins who are still getting born, by the way, everyone, they play these games, because these are such amazing games. It's not just video games and everything. They need to do. My god, I sound like a grandma right now. कि हमारे ज़माने में तो ऐसा हुआ करता था, हमारे ज़माने में तो हम ऐसा खेला करते थे. आजकल के बच्चे लोग तो कुछ भी नहीं जानते, आजकल के बच्चों को तो ये भी नहीं पता. But still, yeah, आजकल के बच्चे. I'm sounding like a grandma. Anyway, I hope that you guys went to some kind of nostalgia trip today because of these games and all. I would do more about these games, but seriously, I love going to these trips, and I hope that I brought some positivity towards you. Hi Vineet, you're late today. I spoke so much about my games and ghar and playing all the things. What were the games that you used to play? If you can write it down, I would get it. I would just take it out. So yeah, so basically today I talked about playing ghar and playing different characters, playing out storylines, basically doing all those drama, all those natak, everything. And having that doll marriage ceremony, doll marriage ceremony in Akshaya Tritiya, then playing ghar with my friends, and playing Kood Kood, playing Chupa Chupai, that hide and seek, playing Pakadam Pakadai, playing one of my favorites used to be ice water. जिसको हम बोलते थे परी पत्थर. Yes, doctor doctor. We used to play doctor doctor so much. There used to be this doctor doctor set also used to come, no, where you have these stethoscope with you and you have different tools that doctors use, and then you play those. You play with those, and whoever gets to be doctor, one has to be a doctor, one has to be a nurse, one has to be a patient, and then the whole scenario would play out. Oh my god! I used to literally beg my parents कि नहीं, I need that doctor set, please मेरे को doctor set ला करके दो. And किसी के पास अगर doctor वाला set आ गया मतलब वही डॉक्टर बनेगा. फिर तुम उससे तुम then you go and you talk to them and you're like, please ना यार मेरे को भी डॉक्टर बनने देना यार. अच्छा नर्स ही बना दे यार, अच्छा कंपाउंडर ही बना दे यार. I used to do that so much. Oh god. And I used to be the dictators when it came to my stories, and when it came to my toys. I was like, yeah, this is my toy. I'm gonna be the number one, because I was always ambitious and everything. Even I had collection of all those things. There was this huge, house set jahan pe they had sofas, they had the lampshades and everything, and there used to be girls and girls and boys who used to have all these things, and they would keep it so good. They would keep it very well maintained, and they would not even play with it. I'm like, if you're not gonna play with it, why do you even have those sets? And then I would have literally amazing kitchen sets. And during this one more festival, there at that time, so everybody used to give us, that mitti ke khilone. And I had this mitti ka bull, I had mitti ka pura kitchen set, clay kitchen set, clay bull, that clay grinder, and we used to have so much fun with that. I used to be the cashier, collect cashes of $1. That's awesome. We used to play Monopoly so much, and Monopoly नहीं होता था हमारे यहाँ पे, business खेलते थे हम. There was business. हम लोग का even I still remember ऐसा था कि business हमने खेलना शुरू किया था, नया business set लेकर के आए थे, तो उसके जो नोट थे वो कहीं खराब ना हो जाए, तो हम जा करके पुट्ठे लेकर के आए थे बहुत सारे. Cardboard, we took out cardboards, we stuck all our money in that cardboard, then we cut it out, and then we actually had this big stacks of each and every cash, and it was so good. And then we had our own customized business set, and we used to play the whole afternoon. We used to just play business. And okay. Okay, so this story, I was one of the most, now I'm very plumpy, but at that time I used to be very stick thin. So there was this one time where we were playing, and I used to always play with guys, because girls were like, nahi aisa nahi khelenge, waisa nahi khelenge, and I was never that kind of a girl. I was always kind of a tomboy kind of a girl. So I was playing with all these guys, and all of them were very elder to me. Like, they were at least 4 years elder to me, and I was playing football with those guys. And I was playing with all my heart. I used to give all my 100% and everything, and I was one of the best. I was playing, and one of the guys, he kicked the ball, and that ball came and it hit me on my face. So half of my face was completely red. It was such a, what should I say, it was such a powerful kick. Half of my face was completely red. There was bruising even, and I was like, and I had ringing in my head, and I could not even play for like at least 10 minutes after that. I was just sitting. I was like, okay, I could not even fathom what happened to me. Then I went inside. I washed my face. My mom scolded me really badly that what the hell just happened? How are you? That's why I said never play games with the guys. They will hit you so bad. I was like, no, it's not their fault. It was a mistake and everything. And then I went out. I started playing, and again they kicked the ball, and this time the ball came and hit me on the other half of my face. And again, that half of my face, it was completely red. It was again bruised up, and I was still singing, and there was ringing in my ears like And then again I sat down. I was like, okay, I'm not gonna play for a few minutes. Let me sit down. And then my mom came. She started scolding all those guys. How are you playing? This is not how you play. This is not the way to treat a little girl and everything. I was like, no, it's fine, it's fine. Then I again went inside. I washed my face. I came back. And I again started playing with them. But that day, I scored 2 goals with them. I scored 2 goals alone. And I was like, yes, I got hit in my face twice, so at least I even made goals 2 times. Yeah, that was really bad. Because I had bruises here, I had bruises here, I had bruises here. It was all black and blue. And it was there for at least 1 month. And everybody used to ask me, did your mom beat you up like that? I was like, no. I got beaten up by the other guys. They threw football at me. They kicked football at me. Oh my god. No, thank you, Tushar. I would actually, I have started this, kind of a podcast where I just rant about all the stories that I have. I'm so glad that you're enjoying it. It is meant to be entertaining, I think. Plus, I have all these stories from my childhood. So many stories and most of the stories are of me getting hurt. And then I'm just hiding from my mom so that my mom doesn't find out that I have gotten hurt. Because if she finds out that I got hurt, she would beat me up because why did I get hurt? She told me never to do that. Oh my god. It's so good. Thank you, Harry Potter. Yeah, finally I have the Harry Potter glasses. Oof. If you guys also have any stories, you can send it to me, or either you can comment. I would post this video on IGTV, so either you can post your stories on the comments, or you can send it to me directly also. I would include all the stories in my next rant. Nostalgia ki Akanksha. Also, there are many more stories, but I'm keeping it for the next time as well. So thank you so much, guys, for listening in. Thank you so much. I think I made you smile with these stories with me getting hurt. I know whenever somebody gets hurt, it's very funny. Like physically, if somebody falls, I still have this really bad habit that if somebody falls in front of me, I just laugh. But from inside, I'm like, oh my god, that must be paining a lot, that they must have been getting hurt. I go and help them, but I'm still laughing inside. I am still holding my laugh. I'm still holding my smile and laughter. Because it's funny. Because even I get hurt, I just fell down all the time and people just laugh at me. Oh, okay. Yes, emotional hurt is bad. That is bad. That time I do not laugh at people getting emotionally hurt, and I do not wish anyone getting emotionally hurt. Nor do I wish on people to get physically hurt. But yeah, if somebody is falling down, it is a little funny. I'm so sorry. I'm so bad at this. Thank you, Pari. Oh God, Pari has some really good stories with, yeah. Yes, I still play. Okay, yeah. Wait. Yes, I play, Tushar. I still play. I still go and I still play with little kids, and I still fall down, and all those kids, they laugh at me. There was this time in my life where I used to have my ankles literally sprained every 3 months. Every 3 months my ankles would just get sprained. I would either fall off from my bed, either I would fall off from my stairs, either I would be just walking and I would fall down. And I'm not even kidding. This is happening when I was in college. And people used to look at it like, फिर गिर गई. You fell off again. सीधे चलते नहीं बनता है क्या? Oh. Yeah. Pari, I would love to know your stories as well, yaar. I know you have all the stitches and everything, so you must have some really good stories. Do tell me. I still know that one, your stitch story, I still remember. Still comment on that. So Pari commented, you were Girja in college days. Yes, money. Yes, I was Girja. Ooh. Ooh. All right. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I will come back again tomorrow. If you have any suggestion what should we talk about tomorrow, do tell me, and do comment your stories as well. Share with your friends and just have fun with it. Keep spreading positivity. Keep spreading happiness in this time. We need happiness, and we need to spread positivity so much. Everybody is getting all these bad news every time, but we need to remind that there is hope, there is good place, and just be in that good place. Spread smile, spread positivity, and do get vaccinated as soon as you can. Thank you so much. Have a great night. Good night all. Thank you so much. Winnie, you are loved too. Everybody have peace, have love.